Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the diagnostic trouble code DTC P059F, which signifies a malfunction in the shutter grille assembly, upper, of the 2017 Honda CRV. The shutter grille assembly is a crucial component designed to enhance aerodynamics and optimize fuel efficiency by regulating airflow to the engine. Located at the front of the vehicle, this assembly plays an essential role in engine cooling and overall vehicle performance. Malfunctions in this system can lead to various performance issues and might negatively affect vehicle emissions. Understanding the nature of this DTC helps pinpoint specific failures in the grille actuator or assembly that may arise over time. Let's delve into the components affected and begin troubleshooting the issue. The shutter grille assembly, upper, contains crucial components that control the airflow into the engine compartment. It's located at the front of the vehicle, typically situated just behind the front grille. The primary role of the assembly is to open and close based on engine needs, improving aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. When this assembly malfunctions, specifically indicated by DTC P059F, it can hinder airflow regulation, potentially resulting in overheating or decreased engine performance. Additionally, the shutter grille actuator upper is responsible for the movement of the grille assembly, and its malfunction, as indicated by DTC's P05A3 and P05A8, could also contribute to cooling inefficiency. Lastly, DTC P05C0 suggests a temperature-related malfunction, indicating the actuator could be experiencing heating issues, further complicating the system's operation. Several factors can contribute to the emergence of these DTCs related to the shutter grille system. First, electrical connectivity issues might arise due to poor connections or loose terminals, which can interrupt the signal required for proper actuator functioning. Physical damage to the shutter grille or its components may also impede operation, necessitating inspection for any visible defects. Furthermore, shorted wires, particularly in the Vehicle Management Power (VMP) line, could prevent the actuator from receiving the necessary power, causing a malfunction. Open wires in this communication line, or ground circuit, can similarly lead to issues, indicating a need for comprehensive wiring checks to ensure seamless operation. Overall, any combination of these causes can trigger the DTCs and impair vehicle functionality. Drivers may notice several symptoms if the shutter grille assembly is malfunctioning. One of the most common indicators is the activation of the check engine light, signaling that the vehicle's onboard diagnostics has detected an issue. Additionally, reduced engine performance can occur due to improper airflow management caused by the grille malfunction. In extreme cases, drivers may observe unusual engine cooling behavior, which could lead to overheating under specific conditions. If these symptoms are experienced, it's essential to investigate the root cause of the DTCs promptly to prevent further complications. Symptoms like these not only affect vehicle drivability, but can also result in costly repairs if left unaddressed. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P059F involves verifying the problem by using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which allows the system to initialize. Next, clear the existing DTCs using the HDS, which resets any error codes stored in the vehicle's computer. Following this, turn the vehicle off and restart the engine, allowing it to idle for a moment. After this brief idling period, use the HDS again to check if there are any pending or confirmed DTCs. This initial step is critical as it establishes whether the issue is current and needs further exploration or if it may have been a one-time incident that resolved itself. The second troubleshooting step focuses on the physical inspection of the shutter grille assembly. Initiate this step by ensuring the vehicle is turned to the off lock mode for safety. Visually inspect the shutter grille condition for any signs of damage, such as cracks or misalignment that could hinder its operation. Additionally, check for foreign materials like dirt, debris, or any obstructions that might interfere with normal grille functionality. Any identified damage means that reassembly or repairs are necessary for the shutter grille before further diagnostics can proceed. Maintaining the integrity of this assembly is vital for effective cooling and operational efficiency. In this troubleshooting step, we delve into checking the electrical components associated with the shutter grille. Begin by inspecting fuse number A23, which is a 10-amp fuse located in the underhood fuse relay box. If the fuse is intact and operational, this indicates the electrical supply to the shutter grille system is functioning correctly. However, if the fuse is blown, it suggests there may be a short in the vehicle management power, VMP, wires leading between the shutter grille and the fuse. In this case, it's essential to repair any short circuits and replace the blown fuse promptly to restore full functionality to the grille system. This step focuses on checking for open circuits within the VMP line that may impede function. Begin by disconnecting the shutter grille upper 4P connector to isolate the electrical system. Measure the voltage between the designated test points while the vehicle is in the off-lock mode, specifically between point 1 on the connector and a secure body ground. If there is battery voltage present, this indicates that power is correctly flowing to the connector, and you can proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if there is no battery voltage, it indicates an open wire condition that must be repaired, specifically in the wiring between the shutter grille and the A23 fuse in the underhood fuse relay box. The final step in the troubleshooting process involves checking the ground GND line for any continuity issues. Start this step similarly by ensuring the vehicle is in the off-lock mode and the shutter grille connector is disconnected. Measure the continuity between the relevant test points on the shutter grille upper connector and a solid body ground. If there is continuity, this indicates that the ground line is functioning correctly, and the next step is to replace the shutter grille assembly. If there is no continuity, however, this indicates an open condition in the ground wire that may require repair to ensure proper functioning and reliable performance of the shutter system. Once repairs have been made based on previous troubleshooting steps, it's crucial to confirm the effectiveness of the repairs. Reconnect any components previously disconnected and start the vehicle. Check for the proper operation of the shutter grille assembly, ensuring it opens and closes as required for optimal airflow. Clear any lingering DTCs from the system using the HDS to reset the onboard diagnostics. After clearing, it's essential to conduct a test drive under various conditions to ensure the issue does not reoccur. This verification process helps validate that all repairs were executed correctly and the vehicle is functioning as intended. To prevent future occurrences of DTCs relating to the shutter grille system, regular maintenance is vital. Conduct periodic inspections of the grille assembly and its components to ensure there is no physical damage or wear. Keeping the grille free from debris, dirt, or other foreign materials contributes significantly to its performance and longevity. Furthermore, if any unusual symptoms arise, addressing them promptly can prevent escalation into more severe issues that could lead to expensive repairs. By adhering to these preventive measures, you can maintain optimal vehicle performance and reliability while minimizing the risk of recurring faults. In summary, understanding DTC P059F and its associated codes is essential for effective vehicle maintenance and troubleshooting. Recognizing the impact of a malfunctioning shutter grille assembly on vehicle performance underscores the importance of regular vehicle checks and maintenance practices. The structured troubleshooting steps provide a clear pathway to diagnose and rectify issues within the system efficiently. Should DTCs arise, it's critical to follow systematic procedures to ensure that repairs are thorough and effective. Employing regular preventive maintenance practices not only ensures the vehicle operates optimally, but also enhances longevity and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.